Ms. Brewer, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I see the clients are on the video record as well. This is case D609858, the Walker versus Rodriguez case. This is a divorce action that was filed on July 1st of this year. There was initial motions filed in September. Matter was referred to FMC. Court received a letter on October 27th noting the parties were unable to reach an agreement. In looking at the underlying, or given the fact that CPS was alleged in the underlying pleadings, my court staff ordered a copy of the CPS records, and
why don't you
may be aware, Ms. Brewer, by now, but apparently subsequent to these motions, it looks like on November 22nd that that Mr. Walker, or sometime around that time, Mr. Walker was apparently charged with domestic violence. Is that correct, Mr. Walker?
Yes, sir, I was charged. I haven't pled to anything at this time.
I didn't ask if you pled to anything. I just noted that you got arrested for it.
Yes, sir. That is correct.
So I'm assuming your client currently has custody, Ms. Brewer?
The last week she was granted an extended TPO for 6 months, and I reviewed the order, and the TPO court wanted Your Honor to make a decision regarding custody and visitation.
Correct. You're right. They extended it to May 31st of 2021. Mr. Walker, have you talked to any attorneys regarding if there is an allegation of, or if domestic violence is proven in a family court case, what the presumption is regarding custody?
I have spoken to several different lawyers. Yes, sir. I haven't retained a lawyer at this time. No, but I have reached out. I'm in the process of doing that. Yes, sir.
All right. Would you like the matter continued for you to be able to retain counsel and so that they can talk to Ms. Brewer?
No, sir. I at this time, I would like to go ahead and represent myself. I would ask, well, when the time is appropriate, that you would make a decision regarding some sort of visitation. That's been my whole issue with this whole thing.
Okay, given the fact that you were just arrested on a serious domestic violence allegation, in the fact that CPS has involved themselves regarding that particular incident, the most that's going to happen between now and then and a return date would be supervised at Donna's house, unless Ms. Brewer is suggesting anything else.
We agree with your position, Your Honor.
That's better than what I have been getting for the last year.
So you let me know. I'll even give you 2 days. They do 2-hour blocks. So if you want to give me 2 days that work for you, we can order that.
Yes, sir. That would be great, because I would love to be able to see my son and spend some time with him. So I work Monday through Friday till 4:30, 7 to 4:30. I work here at my home. I'm actually currently still working now, but anytime after 4:30 or Saturday and Sunday would be just fine.
Ms. Brewer, do you have a suggestion on times with your client?
I don't know what's convenient for Marissa. Would you be able to take the child on Saturday and Sunday for supervised visitation?
I can't hear you, Miss Rodriguez. You're going to have to put your mic on.
Her mic's not muted, I don't know
Heavy
why.
days for work. Take it to my son to
Okay, you're going to have to get closer to your mic. No one can hear you, Miss Rodriguez.
I'm working part-time and those the weekend I see. And I usually work 11 to 7, Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, well, somebody's got to be watching the child. They can take the child to Donna's house for him to visit.
Yeah, I have friends who had.
Your mic's off again.
Okay, Mr. Walker, just tell me what 2 hours on Saturday, what 2 hours on Sunday.
So Saturday, anytime.
Saturday and Sunday.
Go ahead, Mr. Walker.
Yeah, Saturdays from 2 to 5, or 2 to, you said 2 hours, 2 to 4 would work, and then likewise on Sunday.
All right. Can you, Miss Rodriguez, can you have whoever's watching the child to take them to Bonanza and Pecos from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays?
Yes, Honor, I can make arrangement to my work to have those spaces to my schedule open.
Again, I don't want you to lose work or time. You don't have to be the one to do it. It just has to be someone that you trust to be able to transport them to those supervised visitations.
Yes, I will.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and order that starts. I'm going to issue the order today so that starts this weekend. We will get you a copy of that out, Ms. Brewer.
Your Honor, it's not reasonable that it starts this weekend because they cannot. I've been dealing with Donna's house a lot, and they don't get the orientations out quickly enough. I just don't want to have expectations that can't be met.
Well, I'll just word it that if they can facilitate it for this weekend, then if they can, they can. If they can't, then it will start next weekend.
Much appreciated, Your Honor.
All right. We'll note that on the form that
Thank you, Your Honor.
that if it's possible this weekend to do the orientation, that it'll start this weekend. If it just can't be facilitated, then it will start next weekend.
Thank you.
Yes. And,
Thank you.
There's a nominal fee associated with that, Mr. Walker. Given the fact that you are employed at this time, those costs are going to be, you're going to have to pay those costs, okay? Actually,
Yes, sir.
okay. All right, that will give you time to retain your counsel. That will give you time to find out what's going on with your criminal case. Let me continue the matter for 60 days and see where we're at that point.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So that would be a return date of February 4th at 2:30.
Okay.
Is there anything else, Ms. Brewer, in the meantime?
No, Your Honor. They've got a case with the district attorney for child support, and we can take care of other issues in the future.
Yeah,
That would be all for today.
I will note that the court's deferring the jurisdiction of any child support and medical insurance and unreimbursed medical expenses to the related child support case. And I mean, I will also note that the parties are married. So, Mr. Walker, if Ms. Brewer contacts you and to find out if you guys can agree to the divorce part, not the custody part, you're obligated to try to work that part out with her. Do you understand that?
I'm okay with any arrangement except for matters of custody of my child. I
All
just
right.
want to be in his life. So
Okay.
anything else, as far as the divorce, I don't care.
All right, we'll
I was
talk,
the one who filed the divorce.
talk with Ms. Brewer. Maybe that part can get worked out. Otherwise, we will find out where the case is at. We'll just call it a status check on February 4th at 2:30.
And I'll draft the order from today, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Brewer, go right ahead. You could actually submit that directly if you'd like.
Thank you.
All right, you guys have a good day. We will have a good holiday. We'll talk to you February 4th at 2:30.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.